Welcome to another edition of Flex Rental Solutions how-to videos. Today we're going to be going over the ability to add new subtotals or subfolders to the services and contact areas. The reason this feature request came out was we have certain customers who operate in different parts of the region, and they wanted to create a audio engineer that has a specific price out of maybe LA and that same service name but a different price rate when they're out of San Francisco. So instead of calling it San Francisco labor and LA labor up here as specific service offerings, what we decided to do is add the subfolder configuration into services. So to get to this, under System Settings, Resource Types, we've added some cogwheel configurations over here. So under labor, if we click in here, we can say, I want to add a new child group. And let's call this Las Vegas. And we'll use the same plural name. It inherits the settings for the availability mode, etc. And we'll hit add. So we now have this new folder in here. If we refresh in these services over here, we can drag and drop and move things around, or we could have done it also in the system settings resource type area, but we can click drag and drop and say I want my Las Vegas below LA labor, etc. We can now drag and drop very specific services and drop them inside very specific folders. And we can also drag and drop and organize different labor services inside the folder itself. So just how we can reorganize the hierarchy of our subfolders and our items inside inventory, we've added this exact same functionality into services. We've added this functionality into contacts for creating subfolders, not for reorganizing the individual contact types. Those are still alphabetical in there by nature. What this will allow you to do is just have greater customization and organization in these service folders. As an example, if you have an item in LA labor and you drag it in auto sort mode, just like inventory, it will create a subtotal inside your quote field with the name called labor inside of it. It will not create a subfolder called LA labor. It will just go to the root folder and create that subfolder in auto sort mode. We hope this will help you better organize your services and organize the hierarchy of them. If you have any questions, please contact support@flexrentalsolutions.com. Thanks.